What's up, guys? Quantum League Capital back with another video. Yeah, all these charts were marked up on Sunday, Monday. I uploaded the video yesterday night, but the analysis was done on Sunday. So yeah, it's crazy how this actually played out to a T. We got right here and reversed. We took out this piece of liquidity right here. Today we were bearish, and I was looking for buys actually, because we were hitting lower levels of liquidity, and I thought that we would have some short-term reversals. But instead we kept going down, so I took a small $500 loss, unfortunately, and I only trade at certain times of the day, so when this is happening, this is at the very end of the day. It doesn't matter what's happening, I'm not going to take the trade. So unfortunate that it hit the area and we didn't get a trade off of it, because I'm sure we could have found one. But like, look at this, like, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy because one little 5-minute candle went up 725 over 100 points. One little 5-minute candle just poof. So yeah, earnings call is tomorrow for a lot of companies, so we'll have to see how that plays out. There could be a small little short-term reversal right here, actually. I'm not going to take the trade, but I'm just going to put that out there, see how that plays out. Certain reasons why, but I won't go into that. So let me clean up the charts just a little bit. I thought potentially we could reverse right here from this fair value gap in BPR, but we didn't get that. We kept going. Which is fine with me. We went into the daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. But if you go back and watch that video and how I was explaining it, and now you see the way that it played out, this is why it's playing out this way. Also, we could use this low or we could use this low, but this is now a rejection block. So this is something that we got to keep in mind. Especially if we get to ONS and something is happening right here around the morning time. Ooh, baby. This could be a fire trade. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that out. But the thing is that there's still potential to go lower. This piece of liquidity could be taken before going lower. The target for that would be right here. We have liquidity right here. And Kish actually made a video today talking about this, talking about overnight session and certain things that happened in the overnight session, and he called this as one of the targets potentially if we were to go lower. So you guys could go watch that. You could check his channel out, The Currency Merchant. But yeah, so this right here is a liquidity target that you would be looking at if you want to see the bearish order flow continue. And that was one of my mistakes today, was going against the order flow. I wanted to see buys, and technically there were buys. They were just at the very, very end of the day, unfortunately. So yeah, sometimes you just take L's, and that's a part of the game, so it's not that big a deal. We've built so much liquidity to the upside now that yeah, I don't know, we could be taking it out soon, but we need some volatility. And let's check the news. There was news today, and it didn't really do much, to be honest. The consumer confidence didn't really do anything. It's AED CPI. I don't trade AED. Wednesday, there's orange folders. These probably won't have too big of an impact. Thursday is GDP and unemployment claims. This will probably have an impact. Friday is GDP, core PCE, and employment cost index. So Friday and Thursday will probably be some volatility, but Wednesday probably not so much. So yeah, just trying to keep it simple. I don't know why this line is here. I think it might be a lower time frame, but yeah, let me see, because most of my liquidity targets to the downside are taken out besides this now. So now this is a thing. I just feel like if it does want to go lower, it has to take out some of this. It's built up so much, especially just in today. So there's so much liquidity built up that I feel like they're gonna have to take it, and they've already started taking some of it. At the end of the day, they're just wrecking everybody today. So this is the high of overnight session right here. So yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what happens for sure. Like I said, don't hold your breath, but I do think it could potentially reverse right here, to be honest with you. Go down a little bit. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much the analysis. Just wanted to give an update on it, and go back and watch the video of how the analysis was done and why certain levels were marked out. It's unfortunate. It really, really is unfortunate. I was on the wrong side of the trades today, but like I said, $500 loss on those challenge accounts. Well, really only one. I took it on one challenge account, but it's not that big a deal. Come back at it tomorrow. The analysis is playing out beautifully, so we know that we're on the right track, so to speak. Like I said, I want to see a reaction here though at this rejection block. So let's let the Asian session play out, and then see what 4 a.m. brings us, 4 a.m. to 8 a.m., and see what happens during that time period. So anyway, guys, I guess we could look at gold. Gold has been more consolidating. Gold was actually a buy, but yeah, I didn't have any of these lower liquidity targets taken out like I wanted, so not really much to say about gold. Let me see, just looking at what's going on. Yeah, there was potential buys right here off of rejection block ideas, but this was 7 a.m. I don't really trade at 7 a.m. So, yeah, there was potential there, but like I said, I don't really trade that time. So, there's also potential trade ideas right here, but I think I had already taken a loss by that point. So, yeah. Not much to do there. So, gold had a little good setup right there for sure. Target this high and dippity doo dah on out of there. Just look for a change of state and delivery. Bada boom. Put it below the low. And bada bing. You would have had a 2.6 right there. And then, once it went through. So, could have gotten all the way up to a 1 to 6 almost. So, yeah, but I didn't take that trade. I wasn't looking at gold as hard. I was more focusing on NAS. So, markets were a little wacky today. They were a little wacky tobacky. So, gotta be careful sometimes, like Sonic, you got that wacky pack. So, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. The analyses, I don't know, I'm not a fucking English major. The analysis is playing out pretty well though. Gold is going up. I want to see this high get taken. I don't know if I said that in the last gold analysis video. I think I might have just put that up yesterday when I was doing analysis last night. I want to see this high get taken. Ultimately, I want to see this high get taken, but we'll see what happens. This is a 4-hour fair value gap in BPR, yeah. So ideally, if we stop at taking this high, I want to see a return to here, because what's happening is we've built so much liquidity and it's right above it. You see what I'm saying? So like when they do stuff like that and it's right above a fair value gap, or it's right above a BPR, which is kind of similar, but they're a little different, but kind of similar. When they're above points like this, it's for a reason. There's a reason they're not going fully down there yet. And it's because they're engineering liquidity. This whole thing right here is engineering liquidity. So that's just something you have to keep your eye out for. But yeah, it's really, really helpful. We could get up to here even. Like if we break this high, I'll go ahead and mark this out. Right in here, we could see some type of reversal. So we're going to go ahead and mark that out just so we can have it there. But right in here, if we break here, we could have some type of reversal. We just need to look for the signs. And if we don't go any higher, get our reversals at the certain time of day that we're trading, then more than likely I'd be looking at gold to come back down in here at some point. If there's no sign of reversal, then we're going to go take the ultimate high liquidity target that I want to see taken. So, yep, that's pretty much it. I just want to keep it short, simple, and sweet. Hopefully that is easy to digest. And yeah, so gold currently is still bearish. I don't think this is a switch in daily order flow. So more than likely, I say we probably come take that high, although we'll have to see what overnight session brings us. And then right now, we're still currently in order bearish flow. If we go take this high, though, could be a different story. So, yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Those are the liquidity targets. Those are my order flow biases, if we're fucking being correct. But that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.